You are here because you have found out DJI has launched brand new drones and you would like to know if it's worth the purchase. Coming up.
Damn.
Who's ready for a little tour on this boat? I am. Bonjour my dear drone fans and welcome back to my channel. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and I'm here to talk about tech with you. So if you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and vlogs, consider subscribing. Allez, let's hop onto this new video. If you're new to DJI's range, the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom are a bit like the drone equivalent, well, at least for me, of the Apple's iPhone, sitting in between the iPhone 10 and the iPhone 8. I'm not going to explain all of the features of the two drones, but only the ones that would matter to us as recreational drone users. First and most important feature, the weight of these two drones. Why does it matter? Well, in some countries you'll have to register your drone in order to fly it if it exceeds 400 to 800 grams. You might also need a license, some are free, some cost a fee. Here in Belgium, for instance, for private use, your drone should not exceed 1 kilo. The Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom weigh around 900 grams, meaning 1.9 pounds. So coming from a Spark who's only 300 grams, it's going to be a big change. Okay, I agree the two new drones are foldable, but taking them into your backpack or suitcase will be more heavier than the Spark or the Mavic Air. And let's not forget the extra batteries and the remote control that adds a bit more weight to your backpack. Now let's talk about the other technical aspects. These two new drones are nearly identical and feature the same folding arm design as the original Mavic. The Mavic 2 Zoom features a 12 megapixel camera that simulates a 96mm telephoto lens. How? Well, combined with the 2x digital zoom, you can simulate a 96mm telephoto lens with Full HD video, meaning it makes beautiful close-up in Full HD video. But don't you worry, normal videos are in 4K. And you'll be able to shoot huge panoramic landscape shots. With the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, you can jump from 24mm to 48mm in 4K. The zoom uses hybrid autofocus, which combines phase and contrast detection for higher focus accuracy, but looking at my Spark, the autofocus is awesome too. Just saying. It's always great to wow the audience with new features, but comparing with an older and lighter model is also important, especially when those features are still interesting. It's expensive, $1,249 in the US and €1,249 in Europe, but slightly cheaper than the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Here is the exclusive perk to the DJI Mavic Zoom. It makes an automatic Dolly Zoom in quick shot mode. Dolly is a motion towards or a motion from. You have different types of dolly. The dolly in, the dolly out, and the one we are interested in today is the Dolly Zoom. While objects in the foreground appear the same size throughout a shot, objects in the background appear to be distorted, meaning the Mavic Zoom can automatically zoom on subject as it flies away, keeping the subject the same size while the full background of the scene is revealed. Why did I start with the Mavic 2 Zoom? Because it's my favorite drone so far. If I had to buy one of these two drones, I would definitely buy the Mavic 2 Zoom. But let's talk about the Pro for a bit. The Pro features a 20 megapixel camera and it has, wait for it, a Hasselblad camera. What's a Hasselblad camera? Well, Hasselblad is the leading manufacturer of digital medium format cameras and lenses. It's based in Sweden. Many professionals are using Hasselblad cameras for high-end commercial photography where high resolution is needed. So when YouTubers, influencers are getting excited talking about the Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 2 Pro, it means that you, my dear drone fans, will be able to make stunning photos and videos like professionals. The new models can fly up to 44 miles per hour, have 8 gigabytes of internal storage and a maximum flight time of about 31 minutes on a single battery. Rien que ça. Now it's your turn to talk. Which one would you buy or not buy? Me? Well, it's a very expensive purchase and I really enjoy my light and small Spark. But in order to buy another drone, I would have to sell this one and I'm not sure I want to sell it right now. Et voilà, that's it for today. Now go on and have fun with your drone. I had a fun time chatting with you. Please click on the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it too. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Abonne-toi, you'll see, c'est sympa. Thank you if you did subscribe already. Take care, stay healthy, and I will see you next Monday. Ciao, ciao!